We don't want people to just be shut down. We want them to be operating safely.
We're getting a better picture now of how Central District Health is responding to bars in violation of its COVID health guidelines. CDH notified 4 bars in mid-November. They were violating plans submitted to the health district in the order to reopen. Now, the letter serves as a warning to bar owners. Correct the violations or be forced to close. Our Joey Prechtel got a hold of the letters and tells us what this means moving forward.
Back on Halloween, Central District Health sent out a team of inspectors to several bars across Ada County. The premise was this: bars petitioned Central District Health to reopen if they followed strict guidelines. So were they actually following them? Well, most were, but a handful were not.
Our role is not to try and be this hammer that we're going in and just slamming people. We want to make sure that people can operate, but there are safe ways to do that.
CDH sent out letters to the TK Bar, the Torch 2, Jim's Alibi, and Whitewater Saloon. Each bar was in violation of at least 2 things outlined in their reopening plan. All 4 were cited for employees not wearing masks and for serving people at the bar top.
It was clear when they went into the environment, it was not something they were planning to enforce at all.
Jim's Alibi and the Torch 2 were cited for not cleaning or sanitizing enough.
If nothing is done, if they don't change those things, of course, further action would have to be taken.
That action could include taking the bar to court to close them down until the changes are made. Brandon Atkins, a spokesperson for CDH, says that's a last resort.
Want to make sure that they maintain their ability to operate, but also operate safely.
As for a follow-up, the health district isn't planning on sending out more inspectors to see if the bars are following their reopening plans. But the bars do need to tell the district what they're doing to fix the violations.
It really will be left in the bar's court to figure out how they want to proceed on those next steps.
Now, I did reach out to the 4 bars that did receive a letter. An employee with the TK Bar told me that they have now fixed those issues, while I wasn't able to get a hold of anyone from the other 3 bars to find out if they've done anything about their own violations. In addition to those letters, Central District Health also sent out letters to bars who were following the COVID-19 protocols and were doing a good job. In Boise, Joey Prechtel, Idaho's News, Channel 7.